Hi dear YouTubers, today I got a really quick video. It's going to be a review video. It's a power station that will come very useful for you. What are you doing? I'm reviewing here product. Come down. This is a CAT Professional power station. You can jump start your vehicle. Has enough power, 1000 amps. It's very good. And it has a compressor. You can fill up your tires, 120 psi. USB outputs, 6.2 amps. There's 4 of them. Inverter, 200 watt. There's a nice LCD display. Let's open it up. On the side here, it shows you all the functionality here. Sorry about my dogs, they're having fun. Also included charging cord, that's good. You can plug in with any extension cord to charge it. Alright, let's open it. Let's do it. Every time I'm doing video, like a review video, my dog just going crazy. Alright, let's open it up. I want to show you how it comes supplied. I picked it up at Costco. I thought it was a good deal, 99 bucks. Okay, box is gone. We got a manual here. On the back here we have a charging cord. Pretty much you can use any extension cord to charge it. Doesn't have to be a special cord. Jumping cables on the back here. Oh, it's nice. It even has a needle, so you can fill up your soccer ball or football or anything, sporting equipment. And let's see, this is where we charge it. Yep, just plug it in. This is the cord from the pump. And I like that there's a metal tip over here, you know, that's not plastic, so you can screw it on, and it has a nice good feel to it. It's probably a good distance. Enough, you know, just put it next to your tire, screw it in, and you can inflate it. So what do we got here? This is the knob. You turn it on and it's ready to jump start your car. See, it's flashing here on the display. This is like a little engine, and it says ready to jump start. Let's turn it off. Shows you the battery meter, how full its battery is. Now let's turn it off. All right, power. This is the power button. It says AC. It turns on a little inverter here, little outlet, and it's at 200 watts. So most of the home appliances you can run on this. A USB button. Hit this button, and it lights up all the USB ports. 4 of them, 6.2 amps. That's good. It's a lot. And a LED, you know, not as bright, but it's enough. If you go like camping, or if you ran out of electricity, you have no power at home, it will light up the room. And then the compressor. You hit the compressor, you set your PSI limit, and can go up to 120. And let's hit it. Let's hit the air. A little bit loud. Yeah, the compressor's kind of loud, but it works. Primarily I got this product because, you know, we're starting having cold weather, cold winters, and it's good to have it. Jumpstart the car or anything you want, you know, a little power station. Just in case you don't have power, you know, you don't have a generator. This little thing will run a few hours, like whatever you need, like a little lights. You can actually power a microwave in this, I believe. What else? It feels heavy. Feels like good build. Feels heavy. Has a good weight to it. Well, for sure, you got like, I don't know, it's hard to say, like at least 10 pounds. Feels solid. But primary, one reason why I bought it, because it has 1,000 amps cranking power, so that's good. Not like some of these power jumpers, they have like 300. This is 1,000, so that's good. And it has the pump built in. I'm not too. I really didn't buy this just because of the inverter. I have an inverter in my car and a bunch of USBs, but it's a good thing to have. Like if you go camping, for example, you know, this is great. Few days you'll have power, and you can charge your appliances or whatever you want. So definitely good buy. This has a rubber. This is a rubberized. It's not plastic. It does not feel brittle, or it does not feel like very flimsy. Good solid construction on this material. This part also. This is rubberized, and this is plastic. But it's not like plastic at all. Actually, no, it's all rubberized. All of it is rubberized. So that's good. Handle also feels solid. Let's feel these buttons. Has a nice solid click to it. I don't think this was a smart idea. Like the turning knob, I wish they had a button that you press, like like a switch. That would be better. But it's alright, it works. And these buttons, plastic, of course, but they feel pretty good. Nice digital display. I'm gonna put it to a test and I'll let you know about it. But it's a good idea to have this. Like I said, you can use it for home or camping and charge it up anywhere you go. So I'm gonna plug it in right now. I'm gonna charge it. If you want to charge it, just open this door here, plastic door. Let's plug it in. So let's plug it in and let's see what it shows on the display. Once you plug it in, this is what you're gonna see. A battery meter and a voltage indicator once it's charging. And the good thing is you don't need to have a special cable. You can just take your extension cord, there's one end, and plug it in here, and you can charge it. Now once it's charging, right, it's gonna show you like the little battery indicator flashing. Another thing is when you plug it in, when you turn the knob, and then the jumper cables are not connected, right? You will hear this alarm. You'll see this indicator, right? Let's see, let's unplug it. It's gonna give you like a buzzing alarm, like beep, and then you're gonna have a little check engine flashing here. That means it's not detecting this being plugged into a battery to jump start. Let's turn it off. So most of the stuff that I'm gonna use this for is to either charge my electric power tools battery, or run a work light, or charge my drone batteries if I'm somewhere like on a field, like flying for a few hours. I want to charge my batteries, or just power up my laptop, charge it. So we're gonna plug it in this light, and we're gonna plug it in this. I'm gonna show you how it works. Very easy. Let's see this light. Plug it in, hit this power, and there you go. I can take my work light anywhere and do my work projects. Let's turn it off. You can charge your appliance, you can charge your power tools batteries when you're on the work site. And let's see if it's gonna charge. Yep, it's charging. This battery is pretty much full, but yeah. But the best of all, now I can charge my drone batteries anywhere I go. I do have a small inverter in my car, but this I can take it on the field and charge my batteries. I hit the power button. Now you hit the power button and the battery is charging. you got the point, guys. This inverter works good. You will not be able to run your little electric oven. This is my air fryer, right? This will only power on the display, but once you start the cooking process, it's just gonna turn off your it's just not gonna work. It's too much dross, too much power, too much wattage. Here in the manual it actually says this is rated for most electrical tools, appliances, electronic devices, and audio-visual equipment that have labels that indicate the power consumption. So if you have more than 200 watts, the power consumption rated in amps as AC. Simply, you just multiply the AC times voltage to determine how much you're drawing. What I like about this unit, it has this little protective features: low internal battery voltage, high internal battery voltage, thermal shutdown protection. So it says this inverter will automatically shut down when the unit becomes overheated. That's a good thing to have. And also overload short circuits protection. This inverter will also automatically shut down when an overload or short circuit occurs. This inverter will automatically shut down when the battery voltage drops too low, as this can harm the battery. So this is good to have. And on the display you will see like a little triangle, and it's gonna give you a warning for all these features. What else? Like right here it says this will display a show AC when it's empty. If the internal battery voltage fault condition exists, the AC power outlet will shut down automatically, and the backlight LCD screen will display the following. That's good, very good. Now, for inflating the tires, this unit is in PSI. It doesn't show you KPSI or something else, just the PSIs. You can read all this in the manual. It's in English, French, and Espanol. So that's good. This is the model CJ1000 DCP. It's a great unit, guys. Great thing to have. Keep it in your trunk, and it will come very, very handy. And I don't know where you guys live, whether you live in Europe or Asia or Africa or United States or South America. We have a Costco store in United States, and this was on sale for 99 bucks. Very worth spending 99 bucks on this, because main thing, 1000 amp, and you have a compressor. So very good for like road emergencies, and for construction site or whatever you want to do. This will come very handy. This is my personal opinion. I don't know how long this will last, but 99 bucks, I'm sure it's gonna pay for itself. And one big negative thing I really don't like about this unit is this knob, this turn knob. I don't think it's gonna last very long time. I wish they had like the push button, you know, like a switch here, nice big fat switch here, on and off. That would be great. But if it breaks, it's easy to take it apart. It has all you need is a Phillips screws. Unscrew this and you can put any button you want here, but I'm not gonna do that. And you cannot run a heater on this, because heater will draw too much power. It will shut this unit down. It's not gonna last long. So no heater units, unfortunately. If you want to heat up space, use a propane tanks. Now for my house, in case of emergency, you have a fireplace. But this is primarily for my automotive needs and for my drone. So it's gonna definitely pay for itself. Check this out, guys. If you have a Costco, if you find it online somewhere, I mean, I would not pay more than 100 bucks. This is the model, CJ1000 DCP. Very good, guys. Well, thank you for watching Nazareto's channel. This was my quick review of this CAT power station. I hope this video was helpful. See you on the next one.